This is your Marketplace. With COVID-19 as the enemy, we've all been stocking up on our battle gear. But there's a new weapon in town. UV wands. If you haven't bought yourself one of these yet, you've probably seen one. Ads for UV wands, bags, and cups are popping up on Facebook, Instagram, and beyond, ranging from $20 to hundreds of dollars. They seem easy to use, but do they really work? And are they safe? Or should we kill the buzz?
You have to get rid of those germs, and you just don't know where they sit.
It's great to wash your hands and everything, but if you can get like a UV light to do it too, why not, right?
UV lights, pitched as the perfect touch-free solution to cleaning virtually any surface or object from bacteria and bugs. At least that's what the companies selling them want you to think. Mobile Clean sells itself as a way to eliminate the threat of bacteria and viruses. 100% safe, it says. This Home Medics bag claims to kill up to 99.9% of disease-causing germs, virus, and bacteria just by tossing your keys, phone, wallet, or whatever inside.
In these challenging times, what can you do to help protect your family?
OnTel's Safe and Healthy wand says you can wave away viruses in just seconds.
Just wave the wand and germs are gone.
Is it really that simple?
What we basically see on the market is that the wands do not achieve the level of disinfection that they might claim.
UV expert and engineer Dr. James Malley would know. He's been working with and testing this stuff for decades.
Like anything else, if we design it, operate it, and monitor it well, it works great. But if it's cheap and we're just going to kind of use it haphazardly, it's not going to be very useful.
The first factor when considering a UV virus-killing device is the type of light. There are 3 types of UV light emitted from the sun, UVA and UVB. That's the stuff your sunscreen protects you from. And then there's something called UVC, which gets burned up in the atmosphere before it reaches us on Earth. UVC light works by destroying the bond holding the DNA and RNA of a virus or bacteria together, preventing it from replicating or spreading. UV technology can and does work to disinfect objects and surfaces, but the devices that most hospitals and medical professionals use, those sell for hundreds, even thousands of dollars, and they're not buying those off Instagram or a drugstore shelf.
The key issue is intensity and time, because we have to get it to where the germ is.
Malley says some devices on the market could be using the wrong kind of light, or light that is not strong enough to actually kill potentially harmful bacteria or virus living on your cell phone or keys. Devices that do work, Malley says those typically take 5 to 20 minutes, and most don't come close to killing 99.9% of bacteria or virus.
And then the vast majority of them can get you somewhere between 50 and 80% reduction in virus.
The other challenge, operator error.
So a human is not likely to hold it close enough for long enough and not likely to cover the whole area because it doesn't leave any residue. There's no way to see it.
Malley says anywhere the light can't reach won't be cleaned. That means fabric folds or even surfaces with some dust.
The UV light they're turning to is probably going to give them a false sense of security.
UVC light is also dangerous. It can seriously damage your eyes and your skin. It can also release a gas called ozone, which, aside from being very bad for Mother Earth, can cause headaches and irritate your lungs. When it comes to the coronavirus, Health Canada and the World Health Organization have been clear. They have seen no evidence, no proof that any UV wand or device is capable of killing COVID-19. None of the products we looked at claim to kill COVID, but they do claim to work against viruses. HomeMedic says they have safeguards in their bag to protect users and have done lab tests to ensure their product works, but admits it's impossible to guarantee 100% of germs will be eliminated. On-Tel's Safe and Healthy says they provide safety precautions to their customers and their product meets regulatory standards. Mobile Clean never got back to us. If you've got a UV device at home that claims it can kill the coronavirus, Health Canada says stop using it and stick to what we know does work when it comes to keeping everyone safe. Use a proven disinfectant or cleaning solution. Wash your hands well and often. Social distance, and don't forget to wear your mask.